Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to enroll to Capital One Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Capital One Enrollment. Click on this first website over here. Now we need to enter our personal information here, that is our last name. Enter your social security number. Now enter your date of birth and simply click on Get Started. After this, our information will be verified. Once the verification is done, we need to enter our username and create new password, which will be useful to log in to Capital One banking interface. So this is all we can do to enroll on Capital One online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.